Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can remove out of Office from Teams. So to begin with, open up your profile details, or just tap on your avatar at the top left corner of your screen. In here, make sure to set your status to available then, or to any other than away. Then just open your status message, turn show when people message me switch off, and remove the message or change it to some other one. Let's say, hi, I am back. And then save the changes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.